for introduction part, Aina Beauty is a local skincare and cosmetics brand owned by Aina Empire, M. Sendirian Berhad, and founded by Hafiz Muhammad and his wife, Rushafika Aina Abdul Wahab, on 20 January 2018. The brand aims to empower young entrepreneurs while offering affordable products for daily use. So Aina Beauty's product range includes skincare items such as cleansers, moisturizers, sunscreens and serums, as well as cosmetics like lipsticks and foundation. So the brand has expanded beyond Malaysia to Singapore, Indonesia and Brunei, driven by aggressive marketing, continuous product innovation and strong community engagement. Okay. My name is Muhammad Arif Aziz bin Fakar Riza Asmim. My matrix number is 2024912909. So, I will explain about sustainability practice. So, the first one is waste reduction practice. So, in Aina Beauty Company is committed to sustainability by actively reducing waste across its operations. The company minimizes single-use materials, recycles whenever possible, and carefully plans production to avoid overproduction. So, Aina Beauty also promotes paperless office practice and works closely with manufacturers to reduce waste during productions. For packaging, the brand uses minimal recyclable material while still maintaining high product quality and an attractive design. So, through these efforts, Aina Beauty shows that sustainability and beauty can go hand in hand. Okay, next is for sustainability practice about eco-friendly materials. So, Aina Beauty is committed to using safe and environmentally responsible ingredients by avoiding harmful chemicals and prioritizing skin-friendly, ethically sourced materials. The brand is gradually transitioning to more recyclable and eco-friendly packaging, carefully balancing sustainability with cost and supplier availability. So, Aina Beauty also works closely with suppliers who meet strict regulatory standards and responsible manufacturing practice. By selecting partners based on ingredient safety, environmental compliance and ethical sourcing, the company builds long-term relationships with suppliers who share its sustainability values. So after that, now is about sustainability practice in energy efficiency. So Aina Beauty Company supports energy efficiency through both its manufacturing partners and office operations. So the company works with manufacturers that use energy efficient machinery and comply with environmental standards. In the office, employees practice energy-saving habits such as using LED lighting, switching off unused equipment, and managing air conditioning efficiently. So the management also promotes sustainability through internal awareness and company culture. So even as a small organization, Aina Beauty shows that employee responsibility and daily practice play a key role in achieving sustainability goals. Okay, for the sustainability practice is about green supply chain management. Aina Beauty promotes sustainability by carefully selecting manufacturers, suppliers and logistic partners so that meet strict environmental and quality standards. The company prioritizes local suppliers to reduce transportation distance and carbon emissions, while logistics planning is optimized to minimize unnecessary deliveries and fuel usage. So, Aina Beauty also closely monitors supplier performance through documentation reviews, certifications, compliance records, and regular communication. All manufacturers are required to comply with GMP, NPRA, and halal standards, ensuring sustainability, safety, and quality across the supply chain.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Idah Makimi bin Muhammad Tasnim. Now I will explain the application of thinking framework in operation management at Aina Beauty. First, strategic thinking is used to support long-term business goals. Aina Beauty plans its production capacity, manage inventory properly, and use and uses technology to improve efficiency and flexibility in operations. Next, critical thinking helps the company evaluate its production and supply chain processes. By analyzing performance and identifying problems, INABT can reduce waste, improve efficiency, and ensure consistent in terms of product quality. Lastly, anticipatory thinking is applied to demand forecasting, especially during the peak and festive seasons. This allows the company adjust production early, avoid stock shortage, and ensure smooth operation. In conclusion, the use of strategic, critical, and anticipatory thinking helps INABT to improve operational performance and remain competitive in the Malaysian cosmetic industry. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zainuddin, and today I'm going to talk about sustainability outcome from INABT. INABT's sustainability outcome mostly show through its social and economic contribution. The economy empower local entrepreneurs using its agent and stockist model, which supports income generation and long-term business growth. On the environmental side, INABT is taking initial steps to sustainability by using natural ingredients and promoting reusable tote bags. This effort help reduce environmental impact through wider environment initiatives are still limited.
Okay, the next one is challenges and trade-off. The first is raw material and packaging costs. Eco-friendly raw material and packaging are more expensive compared to normal materials. This increases the overall production cost and can reduce the company's profit margin. Because of this, the company needs to be careful when deciding how far to invest in sustainable material. Okay, next, the second one is limited sustainable supplier. There are limited local suppliers that can provide eco-friendly materials. This makes the company depend on a small number of suppliers and increase the risk of supply chain disruption. As a result, production planning may become more challenging. The third one is operational process changes. Implementing sustainability requires change in existing work processes and workflows. This change may cause temporary inefficiency, especially at the early stage when employees are still adjusting to new procedure. The next is uneven employee awareness. Employees have different level of understanding about sustainability. Some employees may not fully understand why sustainability is important, which can lead to inconsistent implementation across department. Finally is balancing profit and sustainability. The company needs to balance between making profit and investing sustainability. Management must ensure that sustainability support long-term business goals without affecting the company's competitiveness. So the next part is recommendation. INABT is recommended to implement sustainability practice in a phased manner to manage high material and eco-friendly packaging costs. The company can start with selected product first. This helps INABT evaluate cost impact, customer acceptance, and strategy effectiveness before full implementation. To overcome the issue of limited sustainable supplier, INABT should build long-term partnership with suppliers that follow sustainable standard. The company can also develop local suppliers to ensure a more stable and reliable supply chain. In addition, clear work guidelines and basic sustainability training should be provided the employees. This helps employees understand their roles and support smoother changes in daily operation. INABT should also invest in energy efficient technology to improve resource efficiency. Even the initial cost may be high, this investment can reduce operating costs in long term. Lastly, continuous monitoring of sustainability performance is important. This helps the company balance short-term profit with long-term sustainability while maintaining competitiveness.
For conclusion, Aina Beauty has shown commitment to sustainability through eco-friendly material, waste reduction, energy efficiency, and green supply chain practice while maintaining operational efficiency. Strategic, critical, and anticipatory thinking support effective decision-making and strengthen competitiveness. Although challenges such as higher costs and limited sustainable supplier remains with long-term commitment and employee involvement, Aina Beauty can further a change in sustainability performance and contribute positively to environmental and social responsibility. Thank you.